In a world where bigger always seems better, compact phones offer a breath of fresh air. Pocket-friendly, easy to navigate, and surprisingly powerful. Today, we're counting down the 5 best compact smartphones you can grab in June 2025. From classic minis to innovative foldables, these devices prove that great things do come in small packages. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list is the iPhone 13 mini, the quintessential compact powerhouse. With its 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display at 2340 by 1080 pixels, it delivers vibrant colors and sharp details that rival larger flagship screens. Measuring just 131.5 millimeters tall and weighing a mere 141 grams, it nestles comfortably in one hand or pocket. Under the hood sits Apple's A15 Bionic chip, featuring a 6-core CPU, 4-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine. The silicon powerhouse effortlessly handles gaming, video editing, and multitasking, all while maintaining excellent power efficiency. Paired with 4 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of NVMe storage, it feels as snappy today as it did at launch. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its dual 12MP camera system, f/1.6 wide lens with sensor shift optical image stabilization, and an f/2.4 ultra-wide lens for expansive shots. Night mode, portrait mode, and Dolby Vision HDR video recording elevate your shots in any lighting. Battery life on the 13 mini hovers around a solid day of mixed use, roughly 2,438 mAh in real-world terms. Enough for quick commutes and light media consumption. It also supports MagSafe and Qi wireless charging for a seamless power-up experience. In short, the iPhone 13 mini blends flagship performance, superb cameras, and one-handed comfort into a perfect compact package. At number 2, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, which redefines compact by folding. Closed, its 3.4-inch Super AMOLED cover screen shows notifications, widgets, and quick actions. Open it up to reveal a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display at 2640 by 1080 pixels with a 120Hz variable refresh rate, smooth, bright, and immersive. Inside, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor teams delivers flagship-level speed and multitasking. A 4,000 mAh dual-cell battery easily powers you through the day, and 25W wired or 15W wireless charging gets you back up quickly. Camera performance is no afterthought. A 50MP f/1.8 wide lens and a 12MP f/2.2 ultra-wide lens capture sharp, detailed photos and 4K video. The Flex Hinge design unlocks Flex Mode, letting you prop the phone half-folded for hands-free video calls, vlogging, or creative camera angles. Durability has improved with Armor aluminum framing, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both covers, and IPX8 dust and water resistance rating. The first for a foldable. Samsung's 7-year software update promise means your Flip 6 will stay current far longer than most phones. If you crave a compact device that transforms into a full-size display and blends style with substance, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is your go-to. Coming in third is the Google's Pixel 8a, which brings flagship-style AI smarts to a compact 6.1-inch FHD Plus OLED display at 2400 by 1080 pixels and up to 120Hz refresh rate. At 152.1 by 72.7 by 8.9 millimeters and 188G, it sits comfortably in one hand, offering excellent balance between size and screen real estate. Under its sleek shell is a Tensor G3 chip optimized for AI features like real-time translation, photo editing, and voice transcription. Backed by 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Performance is smooth and future-proof with at least 7 years of software and security updates promised by Google. Photography is a standout. A 64MP main lens with optical image stabilization and a 13MP ultra-wide lens deliver crisp, detailed shots in any lighting. Onboard computational photography features like Magic Eraser, Night Sight, and Real Tone ensure stunning results every time. The 4,492 mAh battery easily powers through a full day thanks to Tensor G3's efficiency. While wired charging caps at 18W and wireless at 7.5W, the phone's endurance and adaptive battery optimization mean fewer midday power worries. With its clean Android interface, robust update commitment, and powerful AI tools, the Pixel 8a is a compact champ for anyone wanting a small form factor Android without compromise. Next, Apple's newest budget-friendly entrant, the iPhone 16e, brings a core of the iPhone 16 lineage to a compact 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, 2532 x 1170px at 460 ppi with HDR support and True Tone. This screen matches the contrast ratio and peak brightness of its pricier siblings, but omits the dynamic island for classic notch design. Powering the 16E is the A18 Bionic chip paired with Apple's first in-house C1 5G modem, offering blistering performance in everything from gaming to AI-driven features like live text, visual intelligence, and custom Genmoji. With 8 GB of RAM and storage starting at 128 GB, the phone feels fluid and future-ready under iOS 18. Photography sports a 48MP 2-in-1 main camera with sensor shift OIS and a 12MP front true depth camera. Apple Intelligence powered tools let you clean up backgrounds, rewrite text, and generate quick summaries directly on device. Despite lacking an ultra-wide lens and MagSafe, the 16E captures stunning photos and video up to 4K Dolby Vision HDR. Battery life is impressive. Up to 26 hours of video playback or roughly 4,005 mAh of real-world endurance, thanks to the efficient A18 and optimized iOS. Qi wireless charging, no MagSafe, and up to 20W wired charging keep you powered swiftly when needed. All told, the iPhone 16e is the most affordable way to access Apple's latest silicon AI features and superb battery life in a compact form. Rounding out our list, the Samsung Galaxy S23 proves that a true flagship can still be compact. Its 6.1-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display offers HDR10+ support, up to 750 nits peak brightness, and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals in a slim 146.3 by 70.9 by 7.6mm frame. Inside, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy pairs with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 GB of storage. Multitasking, gaming, and even intensive AI-driven apps run without a hitch. One UI runs atop Android 13 and will receive updates up to Android 17. Photography versatility comes courtesy of triple camera array, 50MP wide with dual pixel OIS, 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra wide. Enhanced nightography, super steady video, and 8K recording let you capture every moment in stunning detail. A 3,900 mAh battery offers all-day endurance, supported by 25W wired, 15W wireless, and wireless PowerShare charging options. The lightweight 168G design feels comfortable for extended one-handed use, and IP68 water resistance adds peace of mind. For those seeking a true flagship experience in a pocket-friendly device, the Galaxy S23 delivers performance, cameras, and software updates without compromise. There you have it. 5 compact phones that pack flagship power into pocket-friendly designs. Whether you choose Apple's mini marvels, Google's AI-driven Pixel, or Samsung's foldable and flagship offerings, small doesn't mean sacrificing greatness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more compact tech gems and reviews.